Gave her Prego with Extendo. Gave her pesos. Mwah.
Damn, boy. Oh, it's still snowing. This thing don't stop. This thing don't.
Because of the snow?
What?
Isn't it gonna get room because of the snow?
No. What's good, y'all, man? It is a snow day in Boulder, Colorado. School's canceled. You know what I'm saying? We get a free day to study, watch some movies. And AP Dad's weekend.
No, that's Chick-fil-A.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It's Alpha Fees, Chick-fil-A.
Oh, that's fire. I went back on the game for the first time last night.
They gave you a whole bunch of gems.
I bought the 10,000 pack. I got 189 overall. Oh my, I was pissed. 10,000 gems. 189 overall.
Gems, bro.
Guess who just pulled up?
Yeah, I'll catch y'all later.
Danny just pulled up. So what's up, Michael?
No. I love it.
What up, Danny?
Hey, look. I'm trying to get
what up?
Ronaldo.
Looking light skinned and with his camera.
Let me see.
Man, the WRAs, man. The East RAs just pulled up. Josh and Johnson. But y'all looking extra clean with this lighting. Why? Who's sliding down?
Derek, he's got it.
Oh, snap. What's his name?
That's Eric.
All right, Eric, come on, show me something. Tight thing. Tight thing.
Give it a shot.
What's going on here?
We're just working on a little side project. You know?
Word? What is it? Oh boy! Oh boy!
I don't know.
Oh boy!
So I
don't tell me it's what I'm seeing. Oh boy!
Hey, do the dual thing. I'll do that. We go back. Yeah. I'll go back to back. Go back to back.
Oh yeah, go back to back. Go back to back.
Wait, no, get in the middle.
No, go back to back and then take 10 steps and then turn around, draw. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I go.
Bro, you're ass.
I'm gonna slam you. You want me to slam you? Get me out of there.
Hey, back up.
Get out.
Bro, the lighting.
Oh, I'm strong too, bro. Hey, nah, nigga. Look. You ready? No, I'm gonna get credit. Alright, so move. What y'all mean? Let go. Good boy. Damn. Come on. Alright, hold on. I got wind. I got Dawson. I got hold. Oh. Yeah,
Hey, flag on the plate. Flag on the plate. Hey, break it up.
Alright, y'all ready? Fight! Alright, look at him. Look at this guy. Oh! Alright, they got it. Alright, it's okay. You got it. 60%! 60%!
Thank you for doing that, bro. I got excited. Thank you so much.
Hey, Donnie, you got next?
Hey, look, bitches don't get 60%.
Izzy.
Yeah.
Can I hold it like this?
Yeah. The technique, the technique. You see the technique, low, high, hit it, boom, bam. 1, 2. See, like, he's always on a swivel, he's ready for him. Damn. Oh! Yeah.
No, I have my hand.
Yeah, y'all like it? Oh!
Did he get that? I was gonna say. I don't know.
It's turkey.
I don't like it.
Alright, Josh, actually start trying now.
you not trying?
No, that's something. I was probably okay, 50.
Alright.
Doncey's my winner. He's my winner. He won me 25 bands just now.
Bro, look at all the sweat, bro. Like, this shit's actually bad.
Hey, audience review, what'd y'all do?
I think that was a great fight, actually. I got some points going to Danny, you know, he did his thing. You know, but Doncey, that's the champion right now. And the man behind the camera.
And what's the last name, man?
Mahari, Hanog Mahari. Go to my Insta, Hanog Mahari, no spaces.
No space, no space.
They beat Jess before the fight.
Gave her Prego with Extendo. Gave her pesos. Mwah.
Get right.
I got my money on Michael right here. Okay. Main guy right here. Got my money.
Hey,
on
you
him.
won 25 bands. Don't lose it. Go. Come on, get the fight, Izzy. Let me get over. God.
Oh yes, sir.
Head down. Keep it clean, fellas. Keep it clean. Ooh, I'm loving it. Damn! Yeah, Izzy. Let's go. Right hook. Step into it and hit him. Damn,
Yeah.
Okay, Michael.
That's good.
Yeah. Come on, fellas.
Oh yes, sir.
Okay, Michael.
There we go.
Come on, Michael. Oh,
Keep resistance.
okay, Michael. Okay, Michael.
Sir,
Good defense.
Keep resistance.
Hey. I love it.
That's round one or was that game?
That was fantastic. Hey, good word.
That's real slide boxing.
That's some real slide boxing right there. That was great. Oh man.
Told you Israel won that one. I ain't gonna hold you.
But when
Hey,
you
look,
knocked out, you
I lost a couple bands, but
you just like
you win some, you lose some.
I'm not gonna lie. Look. Israel, you wanna go with me? Oh, I'll show you how to beat fight.
For real?
Huh?
And look, don't gamble, kids. Don't gamble.
What's good, y'all? Y'all saw me earlier. Please sign me. Money Productions, please sign me. My jab. That's my jab, right? I'll do it this way. That's my jab. Right? Jab cross. I'll go this way. Jab cross. And then let's go double jab cross. And then after that, just double jab cross uppercut. And then after the uppercut, we're gonna add a right hook. There we go. Money Productions, that's my audition. Sparring coming soon. Real talk.
It's over.
Man, I thought he was recovering.
Facts. Hey, bro, Brody was injured. They is not in the same weight class. Oh, he's not.
This one got it though. Once you get behind him, bro, you both got that, bro. Good work.
This is the dude that you said can be really good but can almost beat you.
Yeah. But he's like,
How you feel?
you know.
What? You haven't seen me go. Yes. I pinned you.
When? Let me go get when?
At North. No, not North.
In the wrestling?
Stern.
Yes.
Let's
Oh,
go.
I remember that.
I pinned him. You remember?
I remember that.
I don't have to go now.
Yeah.
I pinned him.
Oh, really?
He watched
Yeah, I
it.
remember because like he got you like all of a sudden like you didn't expect it.
Yeah, I
Like
pinned
it
him.
was like out of
And
nowhere.
he started
And then-
screaming.
And then we went again, did we not?
I think so.
You had me. I was tired, bro. I pinned you though.
Let's go right now while I'm tired. This is a word you don't know how to do it.
Oh.
Damn. Dude, damn.
Bro, he slid and stopped.
Oh, yep.
Oh, he got me in the cradle. Wait, I can get out of this. Yeah. Damn, strong.
Rock goodbye, baby.
Okay, get me out. I'm out. I'm done.
You're pretty good for a non-wrestler.
Oh, okay, good. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, Darcy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he got that. That's locked in. That's locked in.
Oh yeah.
That's locked in.
Oh yeah. Oh.
You can't choke in wrestling either. Yes, you can. No, you can't.
He a boxer, not a wrestler.
It's a pin. Yeah, it's a pin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, Darcy.
I gotta count for something, bro. I gotta count for something, bro.
Saved himself from a takedown.
Is that just supposed to be disrespectful?
No, it's like it's distraction. It's like it gets him off his guard. Like if you're looking at me and I'm like, you can't think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Derogatory.
Why do you keep touching his head?
What are you doing? See, I'll face it.
What are you doing?
I tried to fake you to try and get him.
Bro, you can't fake.
Oh my god!
Maybe just get a ball, bro.
Bro, Danny.
I'm done.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more of Israel's amazing content.
Like under, yeah, there you go.
Portrait.
I can't believe that that's happening in real life right now.
Thank you, sir.